Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking about some tips that will refresh your look. It's time to refresh your look and feel rejuvenated with a simple self-care routine. Follow these steps to revitalize yourself and look fresh in no time. Step 1. Cleanse your face. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser. This will remove dirt, oil, and impurities. Step 2. Hydrate your skin next. Apply a hydrating moisturizer to replenish your skin's moisture barrier. Choose a moisturizer suitable for your skin type to ensure maximum hydration. Step 3. Refresh your hair if your hair needs a quick pick-me-up. Try using a dry shampoo to absorb excess oil and add volume. Simply spray it onto your roots. Wait a few moments, then brush it through. Step 4. Dress comfortably. Choose clothing that makes you feel comfortable and confident. Opt for breathable fabrics and relaxed fits to keep you feeling fresh throughout the day. Step 5. Stay hydrated. Start your day by staying hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Step 6. Get regular exercise. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine to boost circulation and promote a healthy glow. Step 7. Do skincare. Take care of your skin by following a skincare routine tailored to your skin type. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect your skin from sun damage to maintain a healthy complexion. Step 8. Get enough sleep. Prioritize sleep for overall well-being and a refreshed appearance. Remember, with these simple steps, you can easily refresh your look and feel rejuvenated from head to toe. Take care of yourself and embrace the day with confidence. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe my channel for more videos.